All right, guys. Today we're gonna do a little something fun. We're actually going onto the car. I got this pretty sweet, nice looking Notre Dame tow hitch cover, and we're gonna put that on here. But you can see right now it's just got a normal little plug right here. We're gonna pull that off, and we want to put this good fancy Notre Dame one right there, like so. You can buy some cheapo ones that kind of lock it in. You could make something at home that kind of locks it in so that it obviously, one, it doesn't fall out, so you're gonna need a pin that goes in, and it does not come with one, or the packaging that I bought did not. Typically they run about $2-3 if you just want a nice little pin in there that has a clamp in there that'll keep it locked down. But I went ahead and purchased the $16 Curt manufacturing one that has a locking mechanism to it. So we're gonna see what that one looks like. Sorry for the lighting. Yeah, it's a little, we had to put a little extra lighting in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these back parts off real quick, and then we're gonna pull this on off. And this is what it looks like. 16 bucks, Amazon. Pop the end off, and you can see it's got a little lock keyhole, so you can lock it and unlock it, and that no one can steal these. I mean, I think this Notre Dame one was about 35. Sometimes they can go a little higher. But let's see what it. So we're gonna unlock it just like so. It's just gonna look like this. And we can put it in there, lock it down, and you can see we're locked, so nobody could steal that. Because before you know it, when you start putting $40 accessories on your car, you just never know. So, and I did a lot of looking on the reviews. What was pretty cool about this one was I figured I'd spend the extra couple bucks on it anyway because it doesn't rust. So I hope this one doesn't either. I've seen a lot that do, and they look really bad. So that was the reason why I went with this one. All right, so we got one side through. We're gonna go ahead and cap it off on this end. Get the key on there. Locking it down is a little challenging just because it kind of wants to rotate in there. So you kind of want to push this and then hold on to this somehow. And there you go. We're locked that way. It's got a nice little cover, a cap over that little lock so that obviously you can keep the water out of it. And we've got our tow hitch cover on there. It's locked down. No one can take it off. It won't fall off. Looking good. Anyway, hope you guys liked that video. We're back out in the car, usually doing some unboxing and reviews lately, but go check those out. I do a video a day for a year showing you guys the YouTube process. Can I make it? Can we make it? Can you make it? You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months. So that's the requirements. It sure is a little tough, so definitely, if you guys like this video, want to go check out my other videos, definitely can. I do a video a day for a year. And yeah, I do all kinds of things. Go check it out and hit that subscribe button so we can get there. So anyway, hope you guys like it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you guys.